Hi everybody, this is my Swift Kon-Tiki 649 2016 model. In a bit of a mess at the moment, but I'm getting it ready for the summer. Now, the fridge, when we did our trip to Croatia last year, all the countries we travelled through, and Slovenia, the roads were terrible, like potholes everywhere. I think it shook it to death, to be honest. Anyway, the fridge door was wobbling about, like as if it was going to come off the hinge. Now, I've just fixed it. This part here, I know that you can see there's 3 screws. Let me just turn the screwdriver out, use a bit of light. 3 screws at the back there, look, which I've just tightened up, they were coming out. And the main thing is this. This is a pin, a hinge pin, that screws down inside the door, because I thought, oh, it's broke, it was wobbling about like nobody's business. But I've just tightened it up. The door barely moves now. Now previously it was moving backwards and forwards by at least a good 1/4 of an inch. To get to that screw on this fridge, we're doing this as a backwards job because it's already been fixed, but to get to that screw you take off the control panel. Now I don't know whether you can tell the control panel, whether it's like the one on your fridge, but hopefully you can tell by looking at this. This panel comes off and it slots onto these things here, and the screw screws up through the bottom of the panel here, and it goes through that little hole there. Okay, and that's what holds the front of this on. See, another screw hole just there, and then in the bottom of this is the underside of it. I'll just turn it over somehow. In the bottom of this there is 2 screw holes. So you open the door, you undo those 2 screws there, screw holes, okay, and then you have to, these things here squeeze up and down, one on the bottom, that slides on the bottom there, slides on, look, slides on, and the top you have to just push these fingers down so they go underneath. So we can do that now. I'm doing it on my iPhone, so I'm going to struggle. So so that looks as though it's going in to me. So it just looks like push it in. Oh, that one go. So it's something to do with those clips here. Press that down a bit. Maybe not. That obviously goes underneath there, and I think that one goes underneath there. So there we are. That's back in place. So simple to take off. It's untrue really, but you have to press this down here a little bit to release it. Okay, and then you just put the screws back in underneath there. That one that side, and that one that side. And the screws are tiny. Just 1 minute. Those are the screws. Just those 2 screws. And the job's done. And the fridge door is now, as they say in France, perfectement, c'est magnifique. There is no, wow, solid as a rock, man. Perfect. Perfect. No more. Oh, there's a bit of wobble, but you see that pin there? You see that pin? It actually sort of comes loose a touch, but I mean it was really, it was moving 1/2 inch. But now, perfect. Door shuts better, everything great. I just got to put the screws back in. Okay, I hope that's been helpful for you. If it has been, please subscribe, because I'm new to this YouTube and I'm doing my best. But that's a bill that you would have got from your dealer. Okay, so it's Steve Hughes, Swift Kon-Tiki on tour, Steve and Sue, Swift Kon-Tiki on tour, and it's a Swift Kon-Tiki 649 2016 fridge door hinge, top hinge repair. Okay, thanks.